Stop creating motivational YouTube Shorts channels like this one. The truth is, they won't get monetized. And if they do, it's only a matter of days or weeks before you receive a demonetization message from YouTube. I created such a channel, and after garnering 10 million views in 90 days, I hit a dead end. I applied for the YouTube Partner Program and got rejected because I was re-uploading other people's content, which didn't meet YouTube's monetization policy. You've probably watched videos from YouTube gurus telling you how they get monetized by uploading such videos. What they don't show you is the crazy amount of work they put into creating just one 30-second video, using high-end software like Adobe Premiere Pro or After Effects. But what if I told you there's an easier way to create motivational shorts and reels that get millions of views and can be monetized? This method is new, and just a few channels are already using it. These channels turn motivational speeches into engaging short stories using AI. This way, the YouTube algorithm sees their content as different and quickly pushes it to a wider audience. Here's an example. A channel that garnered over 35K subscribers in just 3 months with one video surpassing 2 million views. They posted a video about 3 days ago that has already received over 100K views. Let's play one of their videos so you can see what I'm talking about.
Maybe if we learn to let go, to embrace the good stuff, and focus less on our hardships, we would see a new perspective, and maybe we would find a little more peace in the things we don't understand. We work so hard to get to where we are, only to feel like we're not there yet. This is a vicious cycle that can make you chase the next moment, instead of embracing how far you've come. Take credit for trying. Take credit for your progress.
You get the point now. In this video, I'll show you how to create those types of videos using only ChatGPT and CapCut. Stay till the end, and I'll reveal the secret these guys use to make every single one of their videos go viral. Ready? Let's go. 1. Generate the script. We'll use ChatGPT to generate the script for our video. Use the prompt provided in the Google Doc to come up with 5 similar ideas for your own video. ChatGPT will give you a list of motivational video scripts written like stories. 2. Create the voiceover. Use a text-to-speech website like 11 Labs. Copy your script from ChatGPT and paste it into 11 Labs. Select a voice such as Adam or Marcus and click on Generate.
Life is like a garden, and our thoughts are the seeds. Plant seeds of doubt, and weeds of fear will grow. But plant seeds of hope, and flowers of joy will bloom. Our minds are powerful, nurturing whatever we focus on. So let's be mindful gardeners. Choose to plant positivity, kindness, and love, and watch your life blossom into something beautiful. Remember, the harvest we reap is directly linked to the seeds we sow.
Download the voiceover once it's ready. 3. Get stock footage. Use compelling visuals like supercars, vacation lifestyles, or luxury homes. Head over to Pexels, search for these categories, and download 5 different footages for each. 4. Edit the video. Import your files into CapCut. Drag your voiceover onto the timeline, followed by the stock footage. Change the aspect ratio to 9:16 for YouTube Shorts. Adjust the footage to show for a maximum of 5 seconds each, ensuring they fit the screen perfectly. Reduce the brightness to bring out a dark, motivational vibe. Add transitions like fade out and apply effects to each clip. Add text using the auto caption feature and edit it to make it look attractive. 5. Add background music. Use trending music from YouTube itself. Export the video from CapCut, and while uploading it on YouTube Shorts, add background music from the sounds recommended for you. Make sure to reduce the sound before posting it. Let's take a look at what we just created.
Life is like a garden, and our thoughts are the seeds. Plant seeds of doubt, and weeds of fear will grow. But plant seeds of hope, and flowers of joy will bloom. Our minds are powerful, nurturing whatever we focus on. So let's be mindful gardeners. Choose to plant positivity, kindness, and love, and watch your life blossom into something beautiful. Remember, the harvest we reap is directly linked to the seeds we sow.
If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.